All right, hold it right there. We need another 2 inches to the left. All right, everyone, ready to roll. Push on my count.
Keep it steady, watching the right side.
Clear on the left, keep coming. All right, keep it steady on your side. Rolling slow. Watch the nose, clear on the left. This diagram shows the pressure release valve here. Make sure it's calibrated.
Already done. We can proceed with the next phase.
All right, easy now. A little to the left.
Copy that, watching the clearance on the right.
Looks good. Bring it down slowly. Check the tension on the blue bundle.
Looks good from here.
Ready for the next clamp on station 2.
Check the resistance on line 304.
Reading steady at 12 ohms. Looks good. This component doesn't match the schematic.
Let me see that. It looks like the wrong revision.
Check the alignment on section 4.
Looks good, torque is set.
Are the readings stable on bus 3?
Yes, within tolerance. Check the alignment on the starboard side. We have clearance issues.
Roger that. Adjusting the jig now.
Ensure the green wire is connected to the auxiliary control unit.
Okay, I have the reading now. Looks stable.
Did you secure the white bundle?
Yes, just finished the secondary lock. We're clear for the cover.
We're clear on the clearance here, right?
Yeah, just barely. Watch the yellow wire.
Look at the size of that wing spar. It's incredible they can even disassemble something this large.
Clear left side.
Clear right.
Begin hoist. Slow rotation.
Bring it up another 5 degrees, slow and steady.
Copy that, 5 degrees.
Clear on the starboard side. Okay, easy now. Keep it steady on the left.
Right side, bring it down 5 degrees.
We're almost aligned, holding steady.
The forward spar is completely compromised.
Yes, but the avionics rack seems mostly intact.
As you can see, the internal structure around the forward bulkhead requires reinforcement. We anticipate this will extend the service life.
Sequence locked. Preparing for torque check on housing unit C.
Confirmed. Ensure calibration logs are updated.
Data acquisition system is online.
Confirming readings on the pressure sensors now.
Affirmative, you are clear on the left. Maintain current speed.
Copy that. Watching the wingtip now.
Ensure the ram coating around the bay is fully sealed.
Confirmed. The red tags are clear for operational testing.
Check the hydraulic lines on the left gear.
Look at this spike near the center frequency. The turntable readings are fluctuating again.
Agreed. We need to stabilize the input power before running the next sequence.
Data link established. Stand by for upload.
Confirming target telemetry. We are green across the board.
The control system shows 153.78.
Confirmed. The wings are fully extended and locked.
Check complete on main gear. Pin removed.
Roger that. Clear to taxi runway 19er.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the FWD junction.
Steady, steady. Clear on aisle 4.
Okay, the laser says view C is next.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench for those Clecos.
The JSF parts go here, right next to the MS connectors.
Confirmed. Watch the clearance on the T-wax stayouts.
From these sprawling assembly lines, the next generation of air power is born, requiring absolute precision from every technician.
Check the alignment on Sector 3.
Looks good. Moving to the next stage. Torque values checked on panel 7.
Copy that. Moving the crane into position now.
Check the alignment on panel 42.
Looks good from here. Torque to specification.
All right, pull her forward easy now. Stop at the yellow line.
Okay, center line to the edge of the panel.
Reading 52 3/4 inches.
Confirmed. Looks good.
All right, slowly now, watch the clearance on the left. Copy that, coming down steady. Looks good back here. A little more to the right, keep it steady.
Okay, holding steady.
Looks aligned with the jig now.